Dunnewold is back with another awesome creative strength training exercise. What are we doing?
I bet this will surprise you. Maybe not. I think we ought to talk about complimenting other people when they make beautiful things, even when we feel.
No, I know, of course, that's
I know.
Great. Yeah.
But what we're really talking about too is this sort of graciousness that we can use to overcome envy. I brought. May I show you this?
Yes.
So I brought along pictures of work by Mary Ruth Smith, an artist I would kill to be able to work the way she works. She takes these beautiful patterns. These pieces are hand stitched, hours and hours of hand stitching. They're gorgeous. I used to be totally envious of her to the point where I thought, why should I even work? And I think other people sometimes have that feeling too. And I just want to point out, and I know you agree with me, that we all have a place that we can occupy in this creative continuum.
Oh, absolutely. There's enough pie, as they say, for all of us. Just because somebody gets a piece of pie doesn't mean there's not enough pie left for you.
That's right. And I think that we further that idea of sharing the pie when you're doing something that I really love, and I don't just think to myself, I love that. I say out loud, I love what you're working on right now. Everybody wins.
I agree. I think that when you compliment other people, a couple things happen, which is one, it releases the tension that you have in yourself about being jealous. And the second thing is, I think it makes you able to then start to think about, why do I love that? Because the way that I think about it is, there are certain things that I love and I'm never going to be able to create like somebody else,
exactly.
But I can take the elements from their work that I really enjoy and then bring them into my own style.
And that's inspiration, and that's good.
So I think the tip that we're going to take away is that looking for creative inspiration is as easy as complimenting somebody else on their beautiful work. So develop your creative muscles, give your imagination a workout, and try new things. As you stretch and strengthen your creativity, you build your skills as an artist. So make time each day for an artistic training session. And until next time, keep making and creating, and always make it artsy.